This is a story of a brown bear. Brown bear, what do you see?
I see a red bird looking at me. What do you see? I see a yellow dog looking at me. Yellow dog. What do you see? I see a blue goat looking at me. Blue goat. What do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog. What do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat. What do you see? I see a wild dog looking at me. Wild dog. What do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep. What do you see? I see a pink rabbit looking at me. Pink rabbit. What do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish. What do you see? I see a monkey looking at me. Monkey. What do you see? I see a children looking at me. Children. What do you see? We see a brown bear, red bird, yellow dog, blue rose, green rose, purple cat, white dog, pink rabbit, and black sheep, and goldfish, and monkey looking at me.
Os nenos de 5 años cantamos a historia de Brown Bear. Samuel Lorenzo Castro.
Lidia Eufa Ramos.
Sara Ribeiro Goriz.
Daniela Cobas Torres.
Safena Mousa. Matías Iván Valenzuela.
Carmen Farina Santos. Ainara